What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. I've been very busy lately. Not with projects, unfortunately, but I have made some progress. But today's episode is just going to be a little bit of an update on both the Integra and the BSA because, well, I've been in and out of the state, I've been traveling, I've been working, and I have things going. It's just I'm busy. So first we'll start with the BSA. If you guys remember for the last BSA update I did a mock-up of the parts I have and painted the frame a little bit. Well, I've also kind of tackled those shocks. Look at them. Look at them. They're no longer silver and they got the bronze accents. They are starting to come out great. So these are being finalized, ready for clear, and then, we'll start more mock-up on that. So that's pretty neat. I can't say that. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun. Now, when it comes to Project La Tigra, the last video you saw was, well, my son cleaning the engine compartment and, under the hood, making sure that it was good for touch-ups. So I do have to tape off everything, and then I probably just take some rattle can that's a paint primer and just go in there and kind of spray things. I don't know how in-depth I'm going to get with it, but I am going to make it nicer than what it is now. As for other things, I also kind of want to work on some of the body. The body does have a little bit of blemishes in it, and maybe I'm going to get a little fancy with it. Poop. 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 Now, another thing that I've been going back and forth on was, do I make this all-wheel drive or do I keep it two-wheel drive? I have the capabilities to do both right now. And I think I'm leaning towards all-wheel drive. Comment below if you want to go all-wheel drive or just say, nah, make it a two-spinner winner. What is this? Ooh. Also, in these boxes here, that is a twin disc clutch, and those are motor mounts. Howdy! All in all, bottom line is I have not made the progress I have wanted to make on both these projects, just due to the fact that I have been insanely busy. Good busy, not a bad busy, a good busy. I'm not saying I'm stopping, I'm just saying it's taking me a little longer than I expected because, well, life gets in the way. But as always, guys, like, subscribe, keep coming back for Robbie Sucks. I promise I'm going to do updates. If you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up, and I'll see you next time.